Sometimes you want those pickles right now. We don't always have 3 or 4 days to wait for our pickle to pickle, so we're gonna make it in 15 minutes. Guys, I really love this recipe. You can use it on so many different dishes and it's ready the same day. We're gonna use a 16-ounce mason jar today. Because it's a quick pickle recipe, it'll last about a week in the fridge, unlike other pickle recipes which last a much longer time. So unless you know you're gonna be eating a lot of it, stick with this quantity. Today, I'm gonna pickle carrots, cucumbers, a scallion, a serrano pepper, and some red onion. You can easily add radishes, a daikon, kohlrabi, cauliflower, broccoli, asparagus, green beans. People pickle beets. People pickle eggs. Any vegetable that you like. I'm going to use a half a red onion. I'm gonna julienne it into thin slices. 1 cucumber, julienned.
It looks like a Kirby cucumber. Can you use any other cucumber?
I would use a Kirby cucumber or a Persian cucumber. They are on the crispy side.
Julienne, some carrots.
1 serrano pepper, de-seeded.
I recently learned that it's not the seeds that make it spicy, but it's the white ribs.
Really? Slice your scallion long ways and in half. Mix your vegetables together. Break up the onion. Shove your vegetables in the jar. You want to leave enough space for the liquid to encompass all of them.
It's just right.
Perfect. I'm going to put the vegetables aside, grab a small saucepan to put all the pickling ingredients, the brine, because we need to slightly heat it up before we pour it over the vegetables. 1 cup of rice vinegar.
Can you use other vinegar?
You can, but for this recipe, the rice vinegar is soft in comparison to like white vinegar or red wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar. Half a cup of water, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. That's it. We're going to go to the stove and heat it up. So we want to heat it up on the stove on medium heat. Now we don't want to let this boil, but we want to get it warm and we want the sugar to dissolve. You'll start to see little bubbles form on the bottom, and that is your cue to turn it off. Keep stirring until the sugar is dissolved. So we see our bubbles? Turn that puppy off. You can use a funnel or you could be really careful and pour it in. It's a little bit left over. You want to leave a little space at the top, and we're going to put the cover on. Look how beautiful that is. It's going to be ready in about 15 minutes. You really just want to let it cool off. It's been 15 minutes, and check out our beautiful vegetables. Let's give it a taste. I want a carrot. Want to try?
Sure. Amazing.
You can use this in so many ways. Salads, sandwiches, next to a beer. But my favorite is to pile it on top of this marinated Korean beef. And you can check out that recipe right up here. The link to that recipe is in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you soon.